Marami sa mga negosyante ngayon ang nagnanais makatulong sa kanilang kapwa sa pamamagitan ng mga goods and services na kanilang ino-offer. And at the same time, kumikita na rin. Lalo na kung pag-uusapan ang mga herbal products. Narito ang ilan sa mga mapagkakatiwalaang brands na herbal and healthy products. Please watch this.
Sa panahon ngayon, dapat maging maingat tayo sa pagpili ng ating mga kakainin. Madami kasing mga pagkain ang pinanggagalingan ng sakit. Kaya ang practical choice, choose organically grown food. Masarap na, mapapangalagaan pa ang iyong kalusugan. One such company na nagpo-produce ng mga health foods ay ang Ganavida.
It's a social enterprise. It is managed by SDC Asia. SDC Asia is an NGO involved in the design and management of development programs. Ang Ganavida naman is a social enterprise. Ang main mission niya is in the production, marketing, and distribution of healthy food products. Ang pinaka-main line namin would be the bangus products. And this would involve working with the coastal communities kasi alam naman natin dito sa Pilipinas na next to the farmers, ang talagang pinakamahirap na sector ng society would be the fisher folks. So that's why we went into this milk fish production, but at the same time we also have the seaweeds and the crabs.
Organically grown foods ang trend ngayon. Malaki na rin ang market nito dahil over the years, naging health conscious na ang mga Pinoy at part na ng kanilang regular diet ang mga healthy foods. Yan ang dahilan kaya kumikita ang Ganavida.
We have the smoked bangus products. Ang kaibahan ng smoke namin is ito ay marinated. Meron kaming dalawang flavor na garlic and lemon, tsaka yung sweet chili. Ito yung mga, kung gusto mong spicy, meron na tayong smoked bangus na spicy. And then we also have the belly. May plain belly kami, meron kaming belly na pang sinigang. So we have both yung plain na without scales and may scale. Kung gusto mo i-grill, then you would need yung scale. Then yung belly namin would also be marinated. So we have the garlic and lemon and the citrus and herbs. Aside from that, we have this embutido. Talagang pure to na fish, and then ang kahalo lang nito vegetables na carrots. And we also have the relleno. Then another new product that we have recently launched is yung tinatawag namin na bangus pate. It comes in 3 variants. We have the Pinoy style, which is bangus with malunggay. And then we have the Mediterranean, ang sangkap naman ito, of course, bangus, and then together with the eggplant, tomato, and celery. And then we have the Asian style na roasted nuts and mushrooms.
Nagpa-process din sila ng mga meat products at iba pang mga pagkain.
Aside from bangus, we're also selling yung organic na pork and chicken. Hindi pa rin lang siya certified, but it's all natural. These are coming from Nueva Vizcaya and Davao. Then mga small enterprises rin. We also have products from Mindanao, like the coconut sugar, and of course yung durian, na famous sa Davao. Then we have the jam, and then we have the passion fruit. Tablea, meron din kami noon. And then here we are also selling some healthy food products from other countries like Ecuador. Kasi yung director namin, si Ivan Idrovo, is from Ecuador. So he brings with him yung mga products like chocolates. Ecuador is known for chocolates and coffee. Na healthy food products and gluten-free, dinadala rin niya. So basically, ang Ganavida, ang distribution namin dito would be healthy food products from small enterprises.
Over the years of experience, marami nang natutunan ng kanilang grupo sa tamang pagpapatakbo ng ganitong klaseng negosyo. Tried and tested techniques na nagpasulong sa kanilang mga proyekto.
For those who would want to go into bangus production, whether it would be processing or growing the bangus, first and foremost, it would be really good if you set it up in a mariculture zone. Yun yung designated area kung saan mag-grow ng bangus. Next would be to follow the good aquaculture practices para hindi mangyari sa inyo yung nangyayari sa Taal na fish kill, no? And then third would be to always be ahead in terms of innovation, product development, and then I think, like, let's say also not to forget always na to help others, yung communities. I mean, to get the communities involved in your business kasi sila rin yung kailangan natin ng mga caretakers.